Hi everyone, welcome to a new tutorial in which I'm gonna draw Tanjiro Kamado because a subscriber asked me to draw Demon Slayer characters, so I decided to draw him. So let's start drawing by drawing the two lines and then the two circles, and this structure is basically for the eyes. And now I'm taking a 6B pencil to proceed forward. So after drawing the structure, we need to draw the lens in the circles like this. I'm starting from the eyes because you all know Tanjiro has two big round eyes and they look like the main thing in the whole picture. So starting with the eyes will make the sketch easy. And to all the people who are watching this video right now, I want you to watch this video till the end because it's gonna help both of us. And this way you will be able to draw Tanjiro through an easy way, and it will help me to grow my channel too. So it's like I'm requesting you to watch the whole video, and I hope you will. After drawing the eyes, we need to draw the eye shape. And now do the same on the other side too. And after the eyes are done, I'm drawing the eyebrows just above the eyes. And draw this line to keep the both eyebrows equal to each other. Both the eyebrows are done, and now I'm drawing some wrinkles around the eyes. And now we need to draw the nose just below that line that we drew for the eyes earlier. And after drawing the nose bridge, we need to draw the nostrils. And then with just a little distance below, draw the mouth by drawing the straight line and draw some curves on the both sides like this. And again with just a little distance below, mark the chin and then draw the jaws. Mark the face shape around both of the eyes too. And then you just need to join all the points together and your jawline is ready. And now it's time to draw the forehead. Let's mark the shape first, and then we will be drawing the hairs. And now start drawing the hair from the right side of the right eye. And if you are still watching this video, I need you to comment down in the end of the video if you find this tutorial easy. And if you really think the sketch was easy in the end of the video, then subscribe to my channel too and be my lovely subscriber. And also if you loved this tutorial, watch my previous tutorial too, they are also good. And in the video, I'm drawing the hair slowly around the head. And in the real, this sketch took me around 3 hours, I guess. And if you are drawing along with me, it may took you 3 hours or more than that or maybe less than that. So good luck for it. And if you drew the sketch, you can send me the results on the Instagram. This is showing on the top of the video. It's like I will be proud if I see my subscriber drawing sketches through my tutorial. That's my little happiness. now I'm drawing this thing on his forehead. I don't know what is it, but I think it's a wound, right? But if any of you know what is it, tell me in the comment sections. And after drawing the hair, I'm drawing the rest of the body, and these hairs really took a lot of time to draw. And you don't know how much I am happy to see you guys still here watching this video. Thank you so much. And the basic sketch is done. Let's do the shading, and I am using the same 6B pencil. And there's a lot to shade dark. It really took me a lot of time. And now finally 6B's job is done, and now I'm using an HB pencil to shade in the rest of the hairs and the dress. And after the HB, I'm using a 2H. And now using a 2B for some purposes. So finally our shading is done, and now I'm using a blending stump to blend all of it. Blending stump actually makes the sketch neater. Now I'm using a small sized blending stump to blend the shading around the eyes. And now I'm using a sketching razor pen to make it more neat. And now finally our sketch is done, and let's do your signature in the end. And now let's go to the final look. I hope to meet you guys in the next video. Make sure to watch it too. Bye bye! Watch the next video if you want to try another anime character.